My name's Jethro. Just look.
I've got a hunger, twisting my stomach into knots that my tongue is tied off. My brain's repeating, if you've got an impulse, let it out. But they never make it past my mouth. Ba-ba, this is the sound of settling. Ba-ba, 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 this is the sound of settling. Merlin, ba-ba, ba-ba.
I could take you apart with one blow.
I could take you apart with less than that.
Our youth is fleeting, old age is just around the bend. I can't wait to go gray, and I'll sit and wonder of every love that could have been, if I'd only thought of something charming to say. Ba-ba, this is the sound of settling. Ba-ba, 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 this is the sound of settling.
What is it to master? I could move objects like that before I could talk. I'm not here for myself, I'm here for Arthur.
This is the sound of settling. Ba-ba, ba-ba, ba-ba. This is the sound of settling. Ba-ba, ba-ba.
Have we stopped? Sorry, sir, if you could just sit down. You're not supposed to be.
I've got a hunger, twisting my stomach into knots